Hello guys, hello everyone. This is Sumit Yogi, and we are going to create our fifth next video, which is about our eighth, no, ninth video on the end semester. In this, we have on fifth question, we have to distinguish between parametric versus non-parametric model, supervised and non-supervised model. और यहाँ भी मैंने डिस्टिंग्विश पैराग्राफ के रूप में किया हुआ है, टेबल नहीं बने, आदत से मजबूत. So, parametric and fixed structure approach. Core definition: parametric models are fixed number of parameters regardless of training data and sizing, input and output. Its key example are linear regression, logical regression, naive Bayes probability. Assume linear relationships for binary classification. Characteristics are computation efficiency, performs well with small dataset, and risk for unfitting and complex patterns. And non-parametric models are the models that have no predefined number of parameters. Models complexity is scaled with the amount of training data, like k nearest neighbor, instance-based learning, decision tree, hierarchical structure that split data based on features, random forest, assemble of decision tree of robust prediction, and SVM. Suppose vector machine with flexible boundaries. अब पैरामीट्रिक वर्सेस नॉन पैरामीट्रिक इसकी एक टेबल भी दिखाई देते हैं ताकि सर को शांति मिले. So parameters are fixed number and predetermined, flexible, growth with data. Data requirement works with well small data set requires large training set. Data requirement, model complexity, lower simpler structure, higher adaptive structure. Offer fitting risk, lower risk, and non-parametric have higher risk. ट्रेनिंग स्पीड पैरामीट्रिक की फास्ट रहती है बट विथ लो डाटा. नॉन पैरामीट्रिक मॉडल्स की स्लोअर रहती है और कंप्यूटेशनल इंटेंसिव रहते हैं वो, क्योंकि उनमें कंप्यूटेशन बहुत रहती है. कॉमन एग्जांपल्स आर लीनियर रिग्रेशन एंड naive Bayes, while the non-parametrics have k nearest neighbor, decision tree, and normal and random forest. Here we move with the supervised and unsupervised learning. The supervised learning is for labels. Supervised learning stands for the label training data, where each input has a corresponding output. The algorithm learns to map input to output. Primary goal of parametric learning is predict outcome for new and unseen data based on learning parameters. Commonly applications are classification, spam detection, regression, house price prediction, etc. Popular algorithms are logical regression, random forest, and SVM, and neural networks (NN). And we move with unsupervised learning. So unsupervised learning have pattern discovery model. Unsupervised learning works with unlabeled data, discovering hidden patterns, structure, and relationship without predefined outputs. It includes clustering, dimensional reduction, and association rules. Association rules that discovers relationship between the variables, and clustering grouping the similar data. Example of clustering is k segment and k mean. And dimensionally reduction is feature space while preserving information like TCA, TSN. और अगर हम एसोसिएशन रूल्स की बात करें तो वहां पर हमारे लिए एग्जांपल बन जाएगा मार्केट बास्केट एनालिसिस और ए प्रायरी एल्गोरिथम्स. ए प्रायरी एल्गोरिथम्स इज वन ऑफ द most used algorithms in today. That's all for today, guys. We'll meet in our next video where we talk about the text mining, description, accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, illustrate their computation using confusion matrix, and we'll talk about the confusion matrix. So let's solve for today and we will meet in our next video. Stay tuned.